Well, this is a grade A failure to launch, basically. My mistake was I did not glue the lid down, and as you notice in the video, it basically popped the lid off and blew all the contents out the top. Otherwise, with the amount of pressure that this thing had, it probably would have launched right off the pad, because the nozzle's good. You can tell it kind of burnt out the bottom. The reason I know that it had lots of pressure and would have worked, it was because I packed on the top here where the motor propellant was sitting. I packed a layer of concrete in there to actually hold it in, and it shot the concrete clean out of there with this cap, which went pretty high in the air for being shoved on there as tight as I did. But yet again, failure was I did not glue the cap down, because this basically is just a motor with fins. It's not an actual rocket, it's just a motor with fins. But as you can see, it did burn in there pretty good. This is Schedule 40 PVC. It did not melt the plastic whatsoever. It did not, nothing melted off, nothing fell apart. It's all intact, which is a good thing. So I think next experiment will be going back to the basics, which will be resorting to small test samples with cat sand packed nozzles with small amounts of propellant that I will test launch off of my launch pad. So again, make sure you glue all the proper parts down. Otherwise, it's going to just blow apart on you. Okay, so disappointment, yes, but I did learn. So next time, the next video with this thing, it definitely will be going up in the air.